Welcome to Dreamweavers, adult sleep stories crafted to relax your mind and guide you gently into restful sleep. Here, you will find soothing tales woven with calm ambient sounds, perfect for unwinding after a busy day. If you enjoy these peaceful journeys, please like and subscribe to support more serene stories that nurture your nights and help you drift into tranquility. In this video, we invite you on The Mountain Cabin Escape, a warm, calming retreat nestled in serene mountain landscapes. As the fire crackles and the soft wind whispers through trees, let our slow, grounding narration lead you to a place of deep peace and gentle rest. Prepare to leave the bustle behind and embrace a quiet journey towards serenity. Chapter 1. The Journey to Serenity. Imagine yourself stepping away from the rush of the day, beginning a peaceful drive up a winding mountain road. Each turn brings the air fresher and cooler, filled with scents of pine and earth. The gentle hum of your car blends with distant bird song, all inviting your mind to release tension and soften into calm. As you travel higher, the scenery around you quiets, and nature's presence becomes more profound. Trees stand tall like silent guides, their leaves whispering softly in the breeze. The road curves smoothly ahead, each bend unfolding new glimpses of the gentle mountain landscape. Feel the rhythm of your breath slow down, syncing with this unhurried journey. Every breath you take fills your lungs with crisp, pure mountain air, refreshing your spirit and easing any lingering thoughts. The sun dips gently, casting a warm golden glow over the hills and valleys. Distant sounds of rustling leaves and a flowing stream mingle sweetly, lulling your senses toward a tranquil state, welcoming you deeper into this serene escape. Your car slows as it approaches a small wooden cabin nestled among the towering pines. The fading light paints soft shadows on the roof and walls, inviting you to step inside this retreat. Each moment here is a chance to leave behind the noise and worries of the day and simply be present with the peacefulness that surrounds you. Step out of the car and feel the gentle mountain breeze on your skin, cool and soothing. The earth beneath your feet is soft, mossy, and welcoming. As you walk towards the cabin, a sense of calm washes over you, as if the mountain itself is embracing you in a quiet hug. Let your heart be still and your thoughts soften. Inside the cabin, the warm glow of a crackling fire invites you to settle in. The natural sounds from outside blend with the warmth and calm, creating a cocoon of comfort. Let your mind drift with the slow, steady rhythm of this serene space as your journey to tranquility gently unfolds, guiding you toward restful peace and a deep sense of calm. Chapter 2. Arrival at the Mountain Cabin. As you step closer to the quaint wooden cabin nestled among tall evergreens, the evening air feels crisp and fresh. The gentle rustle of the trees welcomes you, drawing you closer to this peaceful retreat where quietude awaits. The cabin door creaks open slowly, revealing a warm golden glow spilling out into the twilight. This inviting light promises comfort and rest, a sanctuary from the busy world outside. The soft flicker of a fire inside whispers of cozy moments to come. Inside the cabin, the scent of pine and burning wood fills the air, wrapping around you like a soft blanket. Each step is gentle on the wooden floor, as contentment begins to settle in, easing away the tension of your day and welcoming relaxation. You settle into a comfortable chair by the hearth, feeling the warmth of the crackling fire seep into your bones. Outside, the wind hums softly through the trees, a soothing sound that blends perfectly with the peaceful stillness inside. Soft shadows dance on the walls as the flames flicker quietly. The mountain air cools outside, but here within the cabin's embrace, peace and calm flourish, inviting you to let go and simply be present in this moment of serene comfort. The gentle glow from the firelight casts a cozy golden hue across the wooden beams and around the room. It's a magical place to pause, rest, and breathe deeply, feeling grounded by the quiet strength of the mountains surrounding you. Outside, the evening sky darkens into a deep indigo, stars beginning to twinkle softly above the towering trees. Inside, you feel safe and embraced, wrapped in warmth and tranquility, ready to drift into peaceful, restorative sleep. The crackling fire continues its soothing rhythm as you close your eyes, feeling all worries melting away. Here, at the mountain cabin, every breath brings calm, and every moment invites deep rest, carrying you gently into the sweetest of dreams. Chapter 3. The Crackling Fireplace. As you settle inside the cabin, you find a perfect spot near the hearth. The fire crackles softly, its warm orange flames dancing gently, casting soothing shadows around the cozy room. The gentle sound of the fire invites your breath to slow, drawing you deeper into peace. Each flicker of light seems to whisper calm, wrapping the cabin in a comforting embrace, perfect for quiet reflection and rest. You feel the warmth radiate from the hearth, melting away the day's worries. The glow creates a serene atmosphere, inviting your body and mind to relax fully in this peaceful mountain retreat. As embers softly pop and shift, your thoughts drift like smoke rising from the fire. This quiet moment, illuminated by flickering orange light, becomes a sanctuary for stillness and calm within your soul. The firelight dances on the wooden walls, weaving gentle shadows that soothe and settle your spirit. Each crackle holds a comforting promise, the kind that makes you feel safe and at home here by the mountain fire. In this tranquil space, the outside world feels distant, replaced by the steady rhythm of the flames. This moment invites you to lean into comfort, letting the warmth seep deep into your being. With every glowing ember, you sink further into a peaceful state. The gentle sounds and warm light quiet the mind, guiding you into a space of calm and restful ease, perfect for sleep. As the fire continues its quiet dance, you close your eyes and breathe deeply. Here, by the crackling fireplace, you are wrapped in gentle warmth and serenity, ready to drift off into restful slumber. Chapter 4. Whispering Pines and Evening Breeze. Outside, the gentle wind stirs the tall pine trees, creating a soothing, rustling song that blends perfectly with the warm comfort inside the cabin. Imagine yourself sitting quietly, breathing in the fresh, crisp mountain air, feeling nature's calm embrace around you. The cool evening breeze carries a sense of peace, inviting your mind to slow and your heart to soften. Each gentle gust whispers through the needles above, like nature's own lullaby. Breathe deeply now. Let this calmness fill your lungs and settle your spirit deep within this tranquil space. As the wind continues its delicate dance amongst the pines, you can feel the seamless harmony between outside and inside, the cool whispers outside, the cozy warmth inside. This balance creates a sanctuary where your thoughts drift softly, untangled and at ease, like leaves floating gently downstream. Let your breathing match the rhythm of the breeze, slow and unhurried. Inhale the peacefulness that surrounds you, and exhale any tension, letting it fade like the last light of dusk fading behind the mountains. Here and now, there is only calm, only rest. Imagine running your fingers along the rough bark of a pine tree, feeling its steady strength and quiet resilience. The evening air is cool, but carries a comforting promise. Rest will come easily here, in the quiet woods, beneath these whispering branches and open skies. The pine needles breathe softly in the wind, and the evening breeze carries the fresh scent of woodland earth and pine sap to your senses. This gentle harmony invites your entire being to relax, to release strain and sink deeper into restful peace, wrapped in nature's tender embrace. Each breath draws you closer to this peaceful moment where the world slows and quiets. The whispering pines and their evening breeze become a calm melody in your mind, a gentle guide leading you toward rest and restoration as night softly falls around you. Stay here a little longer, breathing deeply with the evening breeze. Notice how each sound and sensation weaves into a calm, comforting space. As the pines continue their whispered song, allow yourself to drift peacefully toward a restful, renewing sleep. Chapter 5. A quiet moment of reflection. Imagine yourself standing by a window, gazing out at the majestic starlit mountains. The world seems to pause as your thoughts begin to slow, each breath deeper, each moment more serene. The tranquil scene invites you to settle inward, welcoming the peaceful quiet that surrounds you. Let your mind soften, allowing gentle restfulness to take hold. Let your mind softness to take hold. Soft light from the stars spills gently across the rugged peaks, creating silhouettes that soothe and calm. You feel a subtle stillness growing inside as the cool night air brushes past the glass. This quiet moment encourages reflection, as if the mountains themselves hold the answers in their silent watch. You are safe, grounded, and encouraged to let go of the day's cares as night deepens. The gentle crackling of the fire nearby blends with the whisper of the wind through the trees outside. Your thoughts drift like leaves on a slow-moving stream, becoming lighter and more spacious. You take another long, calming breath and let the peacefulness settle fully into your body. The mountains stand firm and steady in the distance, a reminder of nature's quiet strength and enduring calm. As you gaze deeper into the darkened sky, the stars twinkle softly, each one a tiny beacon of light and stillness. You begin to feel a deep connection to this vast expanse, the serene silence stretching across the mountains and into your heart. This moment holds space just for you, inviting your mind to ease and your spirit to rest in gentle reflection. Your breathing slows naturally now, your body easing into the quiet comfort of night. The stillness by the window feels like a gentle embrace, cocooning you with warmth and calm. Thoughts of the day's noise and worries melt away, replaced by a soft focus on what truly matters. Here in this peaceful refuge, you're free to simply be, drifting softly with the tranquil rhythm of the night. Allow this reflective pause to deepen your sense of presence and peace. Each exhale carries away tension, and each inhale fills you with calm. The serene mountain vista invites you to rest your mind and heart, letting the simple beauty of this quiet moment quiet your soul. Feel your muscles relax, your heart beat steady, as the peacefulness inside grows stronger and more profound. As night wraps the mountains in a velvet embrace, you feel a growing sense of tranquility and well-being. Your mind drifts gently like a feather, carried by a calm breeze towards restful sleep. In this sacred silence you find stillness and comfort, knowing that the peacefulness around you is also within. Let yourself be fully present here, where the quiet night holds you with gentle care. In this final moment of reflection by the window, your thoughts dissolve into calm, and you feel the tender touch of restfulness taking hold. The mountains stand silently, watching over you as you prepare to drift into peaceful slumber. Carry this gentle quiet with you into sleep, embracing the deep tranquility that comes from this quiet moment of reflection and calm. Chapter 6. Dreams Beneath the Mountain Stars. Imagine yourself drifting gently into a soothing sleep beneath the vast mountain sky, where stars twinkle softly like distant lanterns. You are wrapped in comforting warmth, surrounded by the peace of a quiet night, far from the buzz of daily life, as the cool mountain air mingles perfectly with the gentle glow of a crackling cabin fire. As you settle deeper into this calm retreat, feel the cozy cabin embrace you like a soft blanket. The sound of the fire crackling softly and the whisper of breezes through the trees create a serene lullaby. Here, beneath the sparkling sky, your mind and body begin to relax fully, allowing calm waves of peace to wash over you as you prepare for restful and deep sleep. The gentle mountain night holds a special kind of silence, one filled with tranquility and gentle breathing of the earth. Wrapped in this stillness, your thoughts slow down, and the warmth from the fire draws you closer to a soft, peaceful state. Stars twinkle high above like tiny guardians watching over you, guiding your dreams as you float effortlessly into relaxation and calm. Breathe in the fresh mountain air, cool and pure, filling your lungs with clarity and calm. Each breath feels like a gentle wave, rising and falling slowly as you settle more deeply into comfort. The fire's glow flickers softly nearby, casting a warm light that soothes you. In this moment, surrounded by nature's quiet night, every worry seems to fade away, replaced by stillness and restfulness. The cabin's wooden walls hold stories of peaceful nights just like this one. As the fire crackles and pops, imagine the gentle rhythm syncing with your heartbeat, steady and slow. Here, under the blanket of countless stars, you are safe, cozy, and calm. Let this scene anchor you deeply in a world of soothing solitude and gentle dreams unfolding beneath the mountain sky. Soft whispers of the wind rustle the leaves outside the cabin window, creating a natural melody that blends with the fireplace's crackle. Feel the coolness of the night contrast with the glow warming your skin. Let your body relax fully, sinking deeper into comfort. Your eyelids grow heavier as your mind lets go of the day's thoughts, floating freely in this peaceful mountain sanctuary, surrounded by the quiet magic of night. With every moment spent beneath this vast, star-studded sky, your worries melt away like snow on the mountain peaks. You feel grounded and deeply relaxed, connected to the soothing rhythm of nature all around you. The cabin's gentle warmth and the night air's crisp breath create a perfect balance, inviting you into a peaceful sleep where dreams drift slowly as soft clouds over the moonlit mountains. Now, as your breath deepens and your muscles release tension, feel yourself float gently into sleep beneath the mountain stars. Wrapped in warmth and calm, the cabin fire dims softly, while the night sky's vastness encourages your dreams to unfold gently and slowly. Allow this tranquil moment to carry you away into restful slumber, cradled by nature's quiet beauty and the comfort of your serene retreat. Chapter 7. The Quiet Dawn Awakening. As the first gentle light of dawn filters softly through the towering trees, a serene stillness envelopes the mountain cabin. The world quietly stirs with the promise of calm renewal. The crisp air is filled with a peaceful hush, inviting you to breathe deeply and welcome the gentle new beginning, unfolding just beyond the gentle new beginning, unfolding. The awakening dawn brings with it a sense of fresh possibility, a quiet invitation to carry the calm you feel now beyond this peaceful retreat. Each ray of soft morning light feels like a whispered encouragement from nature itself, inspiring you to move gently through your day with grace and tranquility. Let this peaceful awakening settle warmly inside your heart. As you sit quietly in the stillness of this early morning, the subtle sounds of the forest come alive. Small birds chirp softly, and the gentle rustling of leaves reminds you that you are deeply connected to the world around you. This moment of peaceful solitude is a chance to renew your spirit and ground yourself in the present, wrapped in the quiet embrace of nature. The mountain cabin, bathed in the pale morning light, feels like a sanctuary designed for your relaxation and reflection. Here, time slows to offer you space to simply be. There is no rush, no urgency, just the soft rhythm of nature's awakening and your gentle breath harmonizing in a quiet dance of calm and renewal. Feel a sense of gratitude for this serene moment as you prepare to step beyond the cabin doors. The peace cultivated here can be carried with you, quiet strength that gently supports you through the day. As the sun rises fully, bask in the warmth of this new beginning, letting it fill you with hope and tranquility for all that lies ahead. Before leaving this peaceful mountain refuge, take a deep, slow breath, feeling the calmness settle deep within. Imagine this serenity as a steady flame within your soul, glowing brightly to carry your peace forward. Wherever your journey takes you after this escape, know that the quiet dawn has equipped you with a gentle calm that can be revisited any time. As the final light of dawn deepens, allow yourself a moment to reflect on the soothing journey you've experienced here. The mountain's quiet embrace offers you a place of rest and renewal, inviting you to return whenever you seek calm. Take with you the softness of this morning and the steadiness of your breath as you move through your day with gentle ease. Now, as this peaceful escape draws to a close, carry with you the calm and renewal found in the quiet dawn. Let this moment inspire you to nurture your inner peace wherever you go, remembering the gentle light filtering through the trees and the serene stillness of the mountain cabin. With a tender heart, step forward, embracing each new day with grace and tranquility.